Welcome to your own private retreat. Sits on 12-plus beautiful acres with a charming pond in the front, a detached garage with full living quarters, and breathtaking views in every direction. This property offers the ultimate combination of luxury, space, and serene country living. rolling terrain create a perfect balance between privacy and practicality. Inside, the home is designed for both comfort and style. A thoughtfully planned split floor plan ensures privacy for family and guests while maintaining open, connected living spaces. The primary suite is a showstopper, with an expansive closet designed for organization and elegance, and a spa-like bathroom that elevates everyday living. The main living areas are filled with natural light and feature high-end finishes and attention to detail that must be seen in person to fully appreciate. From the custom cabinetry to the refined flooring and fixtures, every corner of the home reflects quality craftsmanship. The detached garage with full living quarters adds versatility and value, ideal for multi-generational living, hosting guests, or creating a private retreat. This additional space complements the main residence while offering independence and comfort. With abundant room to roam, serene views, and a blend of indoor and outdoor living, this Tennessee property delivers a rare lifestyle opportunity. Whether you're seeking a family home, a weekend getaway, or a private sanctuary, this estate combines luxury, functionality, and natural beauty into one exceptional package.